For me, that's a preference of taste, really. I think that the fiberglass are going to be a little pricier, but you can get a lot fancier with wood look and wood grains and the different colors. And even energy efficiencies. Steel is a very strong product, and they make really good steel doors as well. Not quite as flexible on the different designer type looks, but make really good doors that'll last a long time, that are really energy efficient and durable doors. But a lot of times some people don't like steel, or they think more of a commercial building when they look at steel. But so for me, it's just preference. I mean, if you get a quality door, there's always cheaper models of everything, but what's important on steel is how thick is the steel, and then on the fiberglass, how much fiberglass is used, and then does it have foam? Is it hollow core, or does it have a solid core? And how much wood framing is also used is important. So as far as durability, how it's manufactured, where you kind of get what you pay for on doors. A steel door, very durable as long as it's thick enough steel. And so if you're using a good gauge thickness of a steel door, and with a steel frame, it can be very indestructible.